Hello everyone. So we are here again to discuss about the rupee and its short-term outlook. What are the triggers and what has led to a fall last month in the rupee? What we have seen that rupee has declined by around 0.66% from 82.24 levels on the 1st of August to around 82.785 levels on the 31st of August. It's the major reasons have been due to the rise in the US bond yields, which drove the demand for dollars. There have been volatility in the Chinese yuan, as well as the inflation, local inflation concerns, while inflation rose to about 6% levels. So these are some of the triggers that led to the fall in the rupee. And as compared to other Asian market currencies, that fall was although less, because what we have seen in the chart also, that on a year-to-date basis as well as in the last month, the rupee's fall have been less as compared to other Asian emerging market currencies because of the fact that RBI has been successfully managing the currencies at higher levels as well as on the lower levels also. So what we have seen, the rupee has hit a high of 83.17, which was a new 2023 high in the last month, where RBI have been managing the volatility and have been selling the dollars aggressively, and that has led to a decline in the RBI reserves also. What we have seen in the last week, the reserves has fallen below $600 million, is because of some intervention as well as the change in the value of the currency assets. Now, what lies ahead? And what are the other reasons which we can expect in the rupee? But what we have seen is in the last month, as seen in the chart also, the third chart, that is the FPI flows have been very less in the last month as compared to the last 3 months where FPI flows have been more than INR 40,000 crores. But in the last month, the FPI have been declined because FPI have been cautious and they are in a wait and watch stance in the coming months because of the volatility in the equity markets also, and the equity markets have declined in the last month. Now going ahead, what we expect in the rupee? The rupee have been quite volatile last month, and as we see that because of the inflation concerns as well as because of the highly elevated US bond yields, there might be some outflow concerns in the rupee, as rupee is expected to remain volatile in the month of September. In the last chart, what we see is September has been historically a quite worst month for the global S&P index, where we have seen a negative returns on a month-on-month basis in the month of September. So that will lead to some outflow concerns also and will pressure the rupee. But again, we are not expecting much volatility on the higher side, where we expect a trading range of 82.30 on the downside and on the higher side 83.50 levels, where we can again see some volatility in the coming month. So these are all our updates for the rupee markets. I hope you have gone through that, and we will be coming up with some more insightful updates on the same. Thank you and have a great day.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.